What if you could have high-speed internet anywhere on Earth, no matter how remote? Well, thanks to Starlink, that's now a reality. Starlink is a revolutionary satellite internet service created by SpaceX. It works through a vast network of small satellites, forming a constellation that orbits just a few hundred miles above us. This setup dramatically reduces the lag or latency that's typical in traditional satellite internet. Setting up Starlink is easy. With a small, sleek satellite dish, you just point it toward the sky, and in minutes, you're connected. No cables or technicians needed. Right now, Starlink's coverage is expanding worldwide, especially benefiting areas with poor internet. It can reach speeds up to 200 Mbps, and since it's continually improving, faster speeds and lower prices are on the horizon. Perfect for gamers, remote workers, and even travelers, Starlink opens up reliable internet access where it's needed most. Want to stay connected no matter where life takes you? Starlink is bringing us closer than ever before. Check it out today. Visit starlink.com to learn more. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.